Welcome, visionaries and entrepreneurs. I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the intricate world of pricing models. Whether you are launching a new product or refining your business strategy, understanding the nuances of pricing is vital. It's not just about numbers, it's about psychology, strategy, and innovation. So, let's dive into the basics and unlock the secrets to business success through effective pricing strategies. Get ready for a transformative experience. 2. The role of pricing strategies in business success. Pricing isn't just a means to cover costs, it's a powerful tool that can shape your business's destiny. A well-crafted pricing strategy can not only boost your profits but also position your brand, influence market perception, and drive customer loyalty. The right price can be the difference between thriving and merely surviving in today's competitive landscape. 3. Exploring cost-plus pricing, advantages and considerations. Cost-plus pricing is like the trusty old hammer in a toolbox, straightforward and reliable. You simply take the cost of producing your product and add a markup to ensure profit. It's transparent and covers your expenses, but beware, it doesn't consider what customers are willing to pay or competitor prices. So while it's a good starting point, it might not always lead to optimal pricing. 4. Value-based pricing, aligning price with customer perceptions. Imagine pricing your product based on the value perceived by your customers. That's the essence of value-based pricing. It requires understanding your customers' needs and preferences deeply. If done right, you align price with value, often allowing for higher profit margins. However, this strategy demands continuous market research and flexibility. 5. Competitive pricing analysis, staying ahead in the market. Knowing your enemies as you know yourself, that's the ancient art of war applied to competitive pricing. You must analyze your competitors' prices and adjust yours to gain an edge. It's a dynamic approach that helps you stay relevant, but it also means you must be vigilant, keeping an eye on the market at all times to avoid price wars that erode profits. 6. Penetration pricing, strategies for entering new markets. When you're the new kid on the block looking to make a splash, penetration pricing can be your ticket in. Set your prices low, lure customers away from established players, and quickly gain market share. The goal? To build a customer base before gradually increasing the price. The challenge is to sustain your business at these low prices initially. 7. Dynamic pricing, leveraging real-time data for maximum profit. In the age of big data, dynamic pricing is the savvy way to adapt. Prices fluctuate based on real-time supply and demand, competitor prices, or even time of day. Think airline tickets or ride-sharing fares. It's a complex dance that, if choreographed well, maximizes profits by hitting the sweet spot of what customers are willing to pay at any given moment. 8. Psychological pricing techniques to influence consumer behavior. Ever wondered why prices often end in 0.99? That's psychological pricing at work. It's about creating a perception of value or affordability. Whether it's charm pricing, prestige pricing, or bundle pricing, the goal is to tap into the consumer's psyche and encourage purchase decisions. Mastering this requires a blend of psychology and marketing insights. 9. Subscription-based pricing, building long-term customer relationships. The future is recurring. Subscription-based pricing has revolutionized how we access products and services. From software to groceries, it promises consistent revenue and customer loyalty. The challenge? Setting a price that's both attractive to customers and sustainable for your business. It's about striking the right balance between value and regular income. 10. Implementing a tiered pricing structure for product line diversification. Tired of one-size-fits-all? Tiered pricing offers variety and flexibility, attracting a wider audience. By offering different product versions at various price points, businesses can cater to different segments, enhancing customer satisfaction and increasing revenue opportunities. However, it's crucial to differentiate each tier clearly to avoid confusion and maintain value perception. Thank you for joining me in uncovering the secrets of successful pricing strategies. Remember, the right price can make your business soar. Apply these principles, test them in your market, and tweak them until you find your perfect pricing formula. If you found this session valuable, consider subscribing for more insights and strategies to elevate your business. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and keep pricing smartly.